In this video, I'm going to show you some of the best websites where you can watch movies and TV shows for free. All of these websites work on laptops or computers, and you can use them directly in your browser without downloading anything. I will be showing you 4 different websites, and I will quickly explain what each one offers. Let's start with the first website. The first website is Plex. Plex is a free streaming platform that offers a large collection of movies, TV shows, and even live TV channels. To start watching, you can simply create a free account, and then you will have access to their content library. One great thing about Plex is that the website is very organized and easy to use. You can browse movies by categories like action, comedy, drama, thriller, and many more. Plex also recommends movies based on what you watch, which makes it easier to discover new films. The next website is LibriFlix. LibriFlix is a free platform that focuses on independent films, documentaries, and creative projects. All the movies on this website are shared with open licenses, which means they are completely free and legal to watch. This website is great if you enjoy unique films that are different from mainstream movies. You can explore different categories and find interesting documentaries and independent productions. The third website is Internet Archive. Internet Archive is a large digital library that offers many types of media, including books, music, and movies. When it comes to movies, it has thousands of free films available to watch. Most of the movies here are classic films, older movies, and documentaries that are now in the public domain. You can search for a specific movie or browse different collections to discover something interesting. The last website is LookMovie. LookMovie has a very large collection of movies and TV shows, including many newer titles. The website is very simple to navigate, and you can easily browse movies by genre, popularity, or release year. One of the best things about this website is the wide variety of content, so you can usually find many different movies and shows to watch. So those are 4 websites where you can watch movies and TV shows for free. Each website offers something a little different, so you can explore them and see which one works best for you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.